Hello everyone. I just wanted to share you something because I feel so much love for what I'm doing, and I feel quite blessed to be able to paint what I'm painting now, and I wanted to share this love with you. So there is a cup of tea. Of course, like this is our clouds cup of tea, and there is a tea inside. It's a it's not Guan Yin tea, it's actually purple tea. But this tea inspired me for this painting because there's an image of Guan Yin on the package, and for me this tea was like the perfect assembly for like heaven and earth. It's like the power of the heaven and the power of the earth that are combined in the chi of this tea, and it's just so amazing, and I'm so grateful for being able to drink this. So with this, maybe I am expressing the first time to you my love for tea from the tea plant Camellia sinensis and all the different kinds of tea. This is like a place in heaven and Guan Yin is pouring tea. This is maybe heaven, yeah. It is heaven. It's not finished yet, and yeah, it's not finished. And here is the water with the two fishes. It's not finished. Thank you. Thank you, and have an amazing day.